beautiful, wonderful children. My name is Morah Chavi, and I'm so excited to be here to teach you something really awesome. I don't know about you, but Hanukkah is filled with so many exciting and fun activities to do with your family and your friends and your school. But sometimes I just feel like I really want to calm down and relax. So I'm going to teach you how to do something that has to do with Hanukkah, but it's really calming and it's really soothing. But before I start, I'm missing something very important. I must put on my Hanukkah headband. Can you see it? Do you like it? Now I'm ready to begin. So if you want to make a calming Hanukkah bottle, you're going to need a container. It could be something like this. It could be something like this. It could be an empty seltzer bottle or an empty soda bottle, anything that's clear and that has a top that can screw on and screw off. So here we begin. I'm going to take my sensory bottle. It's empty. There's nothing in it yet. And I'm going to put in something called clear glue. And I'm not going to fill up my container the whole way. I'm going to fill it up halfway. You might need a grown-up to help you with this. And tell me when to stop. Tell me. Not yet. And you'll stop. Stop. Now I want to fill up my bottle with things that have to do with Hanukkah. Does a fish have to do with Hanukkah? No. What about a birthday candle? Should I put a birthday candle in my Hanukkah calming bottle? No. What about a blueberry? Did you say yes? I'm not putting a blueberry in my Hanukkah calming bottle. What about a shell? Should I put in a shell? No. What about a dreidel? Should I put in a dreidel? Okay, watch me go. Plop! The dreidel went in. This doesn't look awesome yet. What about a Shabbat candle? Should I put a Shabbat candle in? No way! But what about a Hanukkah candle? Can I put a Hanukkah candle in? I sure can. But what I like to do is I like to break my Hanukkah candle in half. So I take it and I break it. And I drop 1 and 2. And maybe you want to put in a different color. I'll put in some blue ones too. 1 and 2. I don't think it's ready yet. What if I add some beautiful gems? What about a blue gem? Should I put that in? Okay, ready? Plop! And another clear gem. Plop! And maybe I'll put in another blue gem. Now, I love to make my Hanukkah calming bottles sparkly and glittery. So I'm going to take some glitter. And I'm going to do a little bit of glitter. But this is not filled to the tippy top yet. So I got to fill it up with some water. Here we go. I'm going to put in some water. I'm going to pour it all the way to the top. See it getting higher and higher and higher and higher and higher? See how high it is? And now I'm going to take my cover. I'm going to close it, make it sure it's really, really, really super duper tight. Because I don't want any of this stuff to fly out when I'm mixing it. Are you ready? Let's shake it. Can we count to 8 for the 8 nights of Hanukkah? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's check it out. Does it look like it's mixed yet? Could you see that? Oh my goodness, is it beautiful? Can you see all the different things that have to do with Hanukkah moving around this beautiful bottle? Hold on, let me turn it this way. Look at all the gems coming down. This is so relaxing. And the dreidel is staying in the middle. Wow, look at this. Now, I have one that I made yesterday because there's lots of little bubbles in here, if you notice. And those bubbles have to kind of relax a little bit. But this one has no this one is made yesterday, so there's no bubbles in this one, but check it out. Give it a little shake. See how all those beautiful, beautiful Hanukkah things are moving around up and down and up and down. You could make this at home if you want, and you could take this and sit on the couch and relax and see how calming this is. Hope you enjoy. Bye, guys.